this is Joel Bose, and this will be a super fast Blender introductory tutorial. So Blender current version is 2.48 alpha, and here you can see this is a default cube, and which is a 3D cube actually. You are defaultly on the top view. Currently I'm in front view, and this is a light, this is the camera. This is a camera view. You can see that it's actually a cube. So you can render using F12. Here's a cube. So if you drag down here, you'll get all those options, settings and everything. People don't know where these options are, so you'll have to just write this down. So you can set this auto save feature, save versions how many minutes before saving, and also set file paths. Okay, so here you can see this is a button, and you can see lots of options. These are these are softwares inside Blender. There's lots of options out there. Action editor for animation, editor for animation, UV image editor, video sequence editor, timeline, audio window, text editor, outliner, buttons window, lots of script window. Okay, so how to navigate? If you press G, then you will grab and move. Okay, right click undoes. If you press R, then it rotates. Right click undoes. If you press S, then it scales. Right click undoes. Again, if you select something and you drag a line, then it's grab and move. Right click undoes. If you draw an arc, then it's rotate. Right click undoes. If you draw a regular shape, then it's scale. Okay, so that's it. Then there are different modes for editing this object. You can edit the object in edit mode. In sculpt mode you can paint and deform the object. Vertex paint for coloring low poly objects, texture paint for painting textures, weight paint for assigning particles, hair, skin, rigging, etc. So in edit mode we can select each of these vertices and grab and move. You can select edge, G, move. You can select faces, G, and move. So now you have a weird object. Okay, not so creative. This is it. Then there are different views. Defaultly we are in the modeling view. You can go to animation view, where you can have the world, the timeline over here, different animation keys here, the object here. Then you can go to material. You can have the material editor here. You can change the color. This changes the color. Now sequence for editing or video sequences rendered out. Then scripting for running Python scripts. You can type here and run scripts. So getting back to modeling view. uh, here you can see this is the shading option material that you already seen. Yes, lots of options here. Here is the texture button. You can add textures, you can load an image, lots of textures here. Apply cloud texture. This is the radiosity button, and this is the world button. You can add Miss Physics, stars, etc. Now this is the physics button. You can create cloth, you can do collisions of body, rigid body collisions, you can simulate fluids, etc. Now this is the particle effect, and you can create a new particle system. This will be it. Lots of options. So that will be the basic stuff. Now again, you always remember to save. If you don't save, then if you accidentally close, then everything is lost.